Hi, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Here to talk about a trade that we had this morning, but first I'm going to reveal next week two of my double secret indicators for long-term trading. That'll be my Christmas gift for you next week. So for now, let's take a look about a trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar room on the ISIS pharmaceutical. Here it was at opening and it ran down here, caught it short on that. And we missed this one on the upside as we were trading some others, but now it's doing what we call a bull pullback or a pullback buy. If you want to know more about what that is, you just go to our site here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, to our free chart school, go to pullback buy, also known as a bull pullback. Here's a picture of it. I'm sorry, there's a writing about it, and here's the picture of it. Running up, and then it pulls back to a line of support. Now if you see, if it breaks out, then it could be very bullish. The markets too were very bullish at this point. They had reversed and were working their way up here and starting to do this pullback. So I went ahead and I set an order. It's going to let the market come to me. Now let's see what happened next. Boom, there she goes, and it popped up here, and I am now long from $63.17 on ISIS. And we'll set our stop down here about less than 1% below this 20 moving average here. All nicely done here, and I'm long. It just kind of broke out, but just kind of stayed there, and now boom, here we go. And now it's forming a what? This is a symmetrical triangle or a bull pennant. I'm already long, and boom, it finally broke out from that. And we got to pull it down here. We're moving up so darn much here. And now we got this $65 even dollar amount. Could be possible resistance. And sure enough, it's basing underneath it. And now it's right up here to $65. And at this point, I said it's been here for, what, 4 candles now. I'm going to head and get out. And I got out exactly at $65 for 2.8% on the first half. And as soon as I did, what happened? Boom! There she went. Of course. That's all right. Hey, I got locked in some profit, didn't I? And we're going to buy here, and so I'm putting my stop right here at that $65 level right now. And now I'm going to move us up here to $65.25 on the second half stop. And oh, look at that. Now it's up here to, it was stopped to where? To $66 for a while. Now, boom, just broke out above that. Well, I got to pull this down even more here, and I'll pull back to the 20 moving average here, and we're in the $66 amount. Moving ahead here, now we got my stop here at $66. It's moving on up, broke up here. Now it hit its head on $67. So I'm bringing my stop up here. This was basing right here, so let's put a stop here just below there, about $66.38, and bam, there it goes. It got me out here right at $66.38. As I pulled my stop up underneath that 20 moving average, and for 5.0% on the second half. Cool, huh? So let's take a look at this whole trade. It was at a bull pullback here, and we ran up here, and when it stalled at the even dollar amount, I took out half. Went up here, hit its head on another even dollar amount, and then it pulled back below that 20 moving average, which is the first time since here that it pierced that. And I'm out for a total trade of 3.9% in 1 hour and 18 minutes. Hoo-ah! That's right. That's a real patience trade. It was all about managing your stop as you go along, waiting for the pullback. And as long as the market kept supporting it, we were all right. What happened after that is that it did tend to fall down, and here we are right now. As I record this at about 12:30 Eastern Time. It did end up falling back down here below the $65 level. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas to all of you. And again, next week I'll give you those 2 double secret indicators. Trade well.